Hey there, fellow adventurers. If you've been soaking in the sun, sand, and skyscrapers of the United Arab Emirates on a tourist visa and the clock is ticking on your stay, fret not. Aida Travels, your ultimate travel companion, is here to spill the beans on how to extend your stay and keep the adventure rolling. Say hello to the magic of visa change, your ticket to more UAE excitement. We get it, life happens, and sometimes those days on your tourist visa seem to fly by faster than an F1 car at the Yas Marina Circuit. But guess what? You don't have to hit the brakes on your UAE adventure just yet. Aida Travels has a slew of options lined up to ensure your stay is as smooth as silk. Picture this, you're standing at the crossroads of extending your visa and continuing your UAE journey. Aida Travels simplifies this decision-making process by offering not just one, but several options to explore. Drumroll please, as we introduce you to the power-packed lineup of visa change options. Let's dive into the most sought-after option in the visa change playbook, the airport-to-airport visa change. This fan-favorite approach ensures that your UAE adventure remains uninterrupted. You'll hop from one airport to another, extending your stay seamlessly without missing a beat. Talk about an expressway to have more fun under the Arabian sun. If you're the kind who loves a road trip and yearns for a border crossing experience, then the visa change by bus via Oman is your golden ticket. Hop on a comfy bus, witness the landscapes change, and voila, you're back in the UAE with a renewed visa and a heart full of wanderlust stories. It's not just a visa change, it's a cross-country adventure. Are you all about exploring every nook and cranny of the UAE itself? We've got something special for you too. The inside country visa change keeps you within the UAE's borders while extending your stay. Continue your job search, bond with relatives, or just continue living the UAE dream, all without leaving the country you've come to adore. The UAE has captured your heart, and Aida Travels is here to ensure you get to keep it beating in rhythm with the Emirati spirit. From the ever-popular airport-to-airport visa change to the captivating Oman visa change, the possibilities are as limitless as the desert horizon. So, what are you waiting for? Let Aida Travels be your passport to an extended UAE affair. The next chapter of your adventure begins with a visa change, and we're here to pen it together, one unforgettable experience at a time. Get ready to rewrite your story with Aida Travels by your side. Talk to you soon.